Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Fortnite crashes on PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To resolve Fortnite crash issues, start by navigating to the drive where Fortnite is installed, commonly the C drive, but it could be another drive like D. Open the Fortnite folder, then go to the Fortnite game directory. Inside, look for the file named uninstall battle.bat. Double-click it, confirm the uninstallation when prompted, and click OK. Following this, to reinstall battle.bat, double-click on install battle.bat. If you encounter any issues with installing or uninstalling, make sure to run the file as an administrator. After handling battle.bat, close the folder and press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type in app data and press OK. Navigate to the local folder, then find the Fortnite game directory. Go to Saved, and inside this folder, locate the Logs directory. These logs contain crash reports, which you should delete. Also, make sure to empty the recycle bin to remove these files permanently. Lastly, go back to the Save folder, find the Crashes directory, and delete all the folders within it. These steps are intended to help fix crashes in Fortnite. If the issue persists, consider watching additional videos with different troubleshooting steps. So that's basically how to fix Fortnite crashes on PC. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.